My whole life will be changed. If I get past this 1 hour, I should go from here immediately. I will tell my father the whole truth about this place. I need to live with respect in this society.
The normal service will go on for 1 hour and the staff inside are very friendly. You can ask if you need any extra service.
Please come, ma'am. Come, ma'am. Madam is an task force officer. We have got a complaint regarding your massage center. That's why we have came to radio.
This is just a beauty parlor, madam. Having a raid.
Shh. Constable, search.
Okay, madam. Hey. Move outside. Come on, move outside.
Will you go for happy ending?
Okay, sure, sir.
Are you the owner?
It's been long that we haven't chatted, right? I was eagerly waiting.
Sit.
సుఖాల తలుపుతీద్దామా అందుకో నందుకో రారా సరాసరి కౌగిళ్ళలోకి తీరా ఈరే చూడాలి తారాలోకం
Hey, why are you laughing like that? Don't laugh on me.
I missed you a lot.
I love you too, Shashank.
Very much. I love you, Preeti.
I love you too, Shashank.
You know, that one is my friend's house. I will go first, then you can come behind me.
Oh God.
Nothing gonna happen.
సుఖాల తలుపు తీద్దామా చేయి కలపమంటూ తరుముతున్న వేళ సిగెందుకు
వద్దు వద్దు తలుపకంటూ తలుపు తీస్తూ ఉన్నా లేటెందుకు
తలుపుమన్నది నీ చిట్టి నడుమల అలాగ నన్ను లాగి మత్తు పెంచుతుందే
ఇరుక్కున్నది నీ చూపు సురులలో అలాగ చూస్తూ నన్ను చిత్తు చేస్తే
What happened? Why are you laughing like that?
Nothing, Dad. Nothing.
Listen. That jeweler came when you had gone out. We haven't given his rent of last 2 months, and if we couldn't pay, then we have to leave this house.
We will clear his rent, Dad. But why 2 months? It's only for 1 month, right? Oh, you spend it, right? You know now I'm not working at the moment. Now how are we going to pay this?
It's not like that. You take care of everything in this house since the passing of your mother. I know you will pay it. I trust you.
You are never going to change, Dad.
Hey brother, see that girl? What's the deal? You're not coming out of your house nowadays. Why you have so much attitude?
Being insulted so badly, you still don't feel shame? You are never going to change.
What are you talking about? Just come with me. What bro? Are you planning to take her away? She will come on her own. I am just waiting for the right moment to begin. No one can stop her from being mine. That back of her, only I am going to touch it. Oh man, I'm only going to touch it. Come on.
Listen.
What happened?
I need some money, dear. I urgently need some money.
What is the urgency?
Please understand, dear. It's very, very important. And why aren't you earning?
Dad, you know in what situation we are right now? We are running out of money. We can come on road at any moment. You just keep on saying about earning money. But I'm not having any job at the moment. Just think about the house and me for a moment.
Why are you talking like that? Is there someone who is putting this rubbish in your head?
You are talking without brains because mother is not there. A girl is carrying your responsibility. Try to think about it.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Here is my profile, sir.
Why should we give you this job?
Just look into my profile normally. If you really like it, then you can hire me.
Okay, we will intimate you later.
I got it, sir. Anyways, I am straight and sincere. Thank you.
I don't think he will get job in this life.
Why you be so late? I have to go somewhere. Papa is alone in the house.
Sorry.
It's been so many days since we met like this. By now you should understand this, Shashank.
Sorry, my mom. Sorry.
It is you who is always busy in his work. I get so upset, you know.
You already know. There is only one tension between us, and it's job. As soon as I get the job, we will get married.
Find out the job soon, my love.
Umarao? Umarao? Hey, Preeti, why haven't you paid the rent yet?
Sorry, sir. We are unable to arrange the money yet.
You both, father and daughter, should be ashamed. You haven't given rent on time even for a single month. We will pay today, tomorrow. What are you doing, guys?
My daughter will give it to you tomorrow. Please trust me.
Give me 2 days. I will arrange it and give it to you, sir.
I will come in 2 days. If you don't give me the money, then be ready with your belongings.
Hello?
Hello. Uma Didi. This is Preeti this side.
Yes, Preeti. Tell me.
And Didi, I need some money in urgent, please. I will return it soon to you.
Where are you working now?
I am jobless at the moment, Didi. I even closed the parlor.
Okay, you come to the spa, then we will have a word.
Okay, Didi. I will be there in an hour.
Okay, Preeti.
Yes. Okay, bye.
Let her come. We'll see.
Didi?
Come. Please sit there.
Thank you, Didi. Didi, I asked you for the money on call.
But why do you need the money?
Rent of 2 months and the electricity bills as well.
This is an every month thing, no?
Didi, I will give you money later. Will you give me the pocket?
Just take it from the bag, no? So, I will give you an opportunity. Come and join the parlor with me. here customers give a lot of money. I'm sure all your debts will be paid soon.
Didi, I don't know how to massage.
Happy ending. You know, you can easily earn a lot of money here. It's not difficult to earn money here. Here, all the customers are very good and they pay a lot of money. You know, in a very less time, no? You can earn a lot of money.
Short-term money means what, Didi?
Happy ending, sister.
Meaning?
It is easy to relax customers by masturbating.
Oh, Didi, don't you think it is a wrong thing?
See, you only have to masturbate. Just for the client's happy ending. You relax them and leave them. See, trust me, this is a great way to earn a lot of money. Listen, I think you should trust me. Join us. And from today itself. Listen. Please take her to Meghna for some guidance. She's going to guide her. Once it is done, inform me.
Okay, Didi.
You go.
Come, sit. Ma'am have told you that we also provide hand jobs with body massages here, right? We can charge anything above normal. We just have to work according to customer's range. What's customer's range? This is your doubt, right? Nothing. Just see customer's car and mobile. iPhones have different price and MI has a different price. That's it. By the way, I forgot to tell you, do not tell your real name to anyone. Sweetie, Sandy, say any name like this. Also, there is a knife placed here for our safety. Oh, I forgot to ask, what is your name?
Sweetie.
Naughty.
Preeti. How much do we have to do daily?
6 to 7 times.
6 to 7 means we can get more than 10,000 daily, right? I hope no problem in future, right?
Hey, nothing is going to happen. Just come here for some time and leave. You'll easily get the money.
By the way, can I ask you something? What do you people do with this money?
Electronic gadgets, gold. What more can a girl ask for?
Okay.
Okay, let the next customer come and I'll show you how to massage. You go and sit in that room. You will learn everything just looking at it once, okay? You saw it, right? It's easy. That's how we do it daily. Okay, I will inform ma'am. You go downstairs. Bye.
Oh God, I don't want to do this work.
Elvis is alive.
Preeti, you understood everything?
Didi, I find this kind of work very wrong.
Oh, it's okay. You will get used to this.
Sorry, Didi. I can't do all this. I'm leaving. Bye.
Preeti.
We didn't pay the bill, that's why they have taken off the fuse.
Life has become like a rock. You are watching everything, Dad. If you will not get better, then everyone's life will shatter. If I had joined the morning spa there, such problems would not have happened. I should join it or not, I'm not unable to understand it. What should I do now? I can't understand. Let's try joining the morning spa again.
I knew it. You will come. The last cabin has your dress. You go and wear it.
I will come in 2 days. If you don't give me the money, then be ready with your belongings.
After clearing all my debts, I will leave this place right away. I have no way, that's why I'm doing this. Happy ending?
How much?
2,000, sir.
Okay, do it. It was super.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Hey, when will you give the money?
Yes, just a minute.
There will be no problem if you give the rent on time, just like this.
Yes, surely we will.
Okay, I'll leave.
Yes.
Hello? Yes, sir. New staff has arrived, sir. Just take for spa for once.
Hi, Didi.
Hey,
Hi.
how's your first day going? Everything is fine, right?
Yes, everything is fine. By the way, who is this Divya? Everyone is asking for her.
Dear, she's very selfish. She can do anything for money. And there are different clients of her and us inside.
Oh, it is like this?
She's full of attitude. You see for yourself.
Sure. Let's see.
Preeti,
Didi?
right now, one customer is going to come. And he's our regular client, you know. So, please handle him a little. You satisfy him very well and he will give you a lot of money.
Okay, Didi. Fine.
Okay, bye.
Sir, please turn.
Okay.
How she might be doing? Sir, how was your experience?
Awesome.
Thank you.
Sir, please turn.
Your service is awesome. I really liked your service. I would like to come here frequently like a repeat customer, promise. Wow, this was my first time.
Come, sir. Which massage would you like? Deep tissue or aroma or hostole?
Aroma, ma'am.
Super.
Madam, who gives the massage, madam?
Girls.
Madam, am I allowed to select?
Sure. I will call them. You can select. Listen, everyone come out.
Madam.
Preeti. Preeti, come. Take him.
Girl looks fantastic. The girl looks fantastic. Is she going to do everything or what?
Do you know who I am?
I don't care how big you are. Just close the door.
Have to agree. Young and beautiful girls speak a lot.
If money is good, then this young energy is yours.
A corporator is always full of money.
One can't even get a condom for free. And you are thinking about me?
Take this money.
You saw, sir. Whom did you like, sir?
I don't like any of them. You also do massage?
Me?
Huh? Yes.
You know our Shetty, sir, right?
Yeah, I know him.
He's our client.
Okay, no problem. You can send anyone.
Hey, baby. Baby.
Hey, tell me the price.
It seemed like the last time.
Lockdown impact. Prices have changed.
How much?
10,000.
Yes, it's fine.
What do you do with this money? I want to say something for your goodness. Don't waste this money. It would be good if you invest in gold. I don't force you, but I'll soon come back. Only for you. Bye.
Please come, ma'am. I will switch on the lights for you, ma'am. Please come, ma'am. There is a kitchen. This is one bedroom. This is another one. And this is hall. You will get the flat furnished, ma'am. Owner of this house lives in US, ma'am. You can easily give the monthly rent. And you can also pay online directly, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
1 second.
Thank you, ma'am. Today I got 10,000 rupees. I'll be doing laundry.
Are you good? I really feel like touching you.
Leave me, I have to go.
My heart didn't want anyone but you, my dear.
Move out.
It's an amazing feeling to get a girl who says no. Remember one thing, you are only mine. I am not going to spare you.
Bastard.
What is the collection of today?
No matter how much it is, what is the point? Whatever we get, you only take it.
Who is he? How friendly is he being with ma'am?
He is her lover. After leaving her husband, Madam is with him. She spends all the money on him.
I see.
He often comes to the spa to take the money.
Oh.
Hey, you know that new girl, right? Whose name is Preeti? I have seen her earlier as well. She is fire. Send her to me, no then.
You shut up. She's new here. Let her be here for a few days. Then I will only send her to you. Wait. Let the time come. Wait for it.
How will she know about this? If not me, then who else will enjoy my daughter's earning?
Yes, okay. Welcome, sir.
Hey, do you have girls for the massage?
There are no girls here, sir. There is only one man here. That too, he is busy for now. So, you can come later.
Oh, seems she has figured it out.
He got a camera over here.
Hello? Say?
What happened to you, Priti? You have completely forgotten me.
It is nothing like that.
No calls, no message for so many days. It's been so long time, Priti. Please meet me once. Please, Priti. Just meet me once.
I will let you know. Okay. I will talk to you sometime later, okay? Bye. Hello, sir.
Have you been doing this forever? You know, I'm Ritik. I'm a model. I'm like Ritik Roshan.
Please sleep, sir.
Do you know one thing? I can change your life. I'll even marry you. Hey, why are you laughing like this?
Hey, what happened, Preeti? You seem quite dull.
Nothing. I have just come out of the financial crisis, but there is still something pain inside.
I understand. Whatever you're doing is right or wrong, I don't know. But don't worry. Someday we will also have a good time.
Aroma is fine with you?
Yes, that will be okay.
Okay, I will call everyone. Everyone come down. These are all massage therapists.
Huh?
Sir, wait please.
Didi, did you call?
I had called for a customer. You girls go up. I will let you know.
Okay. Let's go.
You here? You here?
Are you in shock?
Why have you
You
come?
don't let me do the romance outside, but here there's nobody to stop me.
Please leave me alone.
Hey, how many times should I make you understand, huh? You have survived today, but I'm not going to leave you. Will not leave you.
How are you, Preeti?
Yes, I'm fine. You say?
You know you are changed a lot, Preeti.
No, it's nothing like that.
Then why do you avoid me, Preeti? Do you know how change your behavior is?
I'm telling you, it's nothing, na?
iPhone. When did you buy it? And why you didn't tell me about it?
I'm getting tensed. We have to talk later.
Okay, Preeti, wait.
Leave my hand. I don't want this relationship or any such stuff. Please. Leave me alone, please.
Oh, Oh God, so much change. After joining the massage center, you are completely changed.
Oh, you know about it now? So leave it right now then?
You have no idea how much I trusted you. I always wanted to get married to you. I have kept this relationship safe, but you completely demolished all my trust. You are doing all this for money, right? A prostitute in the market. She also do the same thing, but that prostitute is better than you. Because they don't betray like you did. Huh?
Hey, when I was in so much pain, you didn't even notice because of your busy life schedule. You always kept asking about marriage. You didn't even respond to my calls when I needed you. I loved you because I used to miss, but now I want nothing, either love or money.
I think you are earning lots of money. That's why arrogance has taken over your head.
I have tolerated so much my family till now. Now you want me to tolerate you too? Get out from here, please. I don't want you anymore.
Oh, by the way, I fold my hands. I survived because of my sincerity. And it was only me who came begging for love to you. Now don't show me your useless tears like a sincere girl. Understand? You know, and after all what you did, that is not wrong, got it? That's cheating. Get out from here, you cheater. You're earning a good money nowadays, right? Just go and earn.
Oh, Priya, na Priya, nannu vadli vellavu, gunde gayam chesavu, nee madhura kalalu nannu vedichi pettavu, enduko mari. Oh, sakhi, na shanmukhi, nannu vadli vellavu, gunde gayam chesavu, nee jatle kunte bratuke baruvutunde, nuvve kanavadakunte kannire vastunde. Oh sakhi na shanmukhi, nannu vadli vellavu. ఎడబాటు ఎదలోనే కదిలేను నిడిలా ఉసులాడే నిడిలా కంటి నీరే కమ్ముతోందే చలువారే కంటిలో నమ్మరాసే జాతకములో చదువునీవని తలచినానే మన్నించి మనసున్న కలత విడుమా.
There was no one to support me, that's why I did all this. There was no one to tell the difference between right and wrong since the childhood. I didn't even know whom to tell when my stomach used to ache. After all, I don't even have a mother.
Hi. What happened to her?
Tell me.
Forgive me, please. Please.
If I accepted you now, then I will lose my respect in my own eyes. You know what? You don't even dare to call me bitch.
He will not even let me come closer to him. See, Didi.
What happened? Why are you looking so dull?
It's nothing like that, Didi.
Is it a breakup issue or what?
Yes, Didi.
You're feeling very hurt, no?
Too much.
I know it. Even I had to go through such a situation. To come out of this pain is very difficult. You try this. You will really like it.
What is this, Didi?
This will really help you to come out of all your pain. This is the only way. Trust me. Take a little dose only. You will feel relieved. Take care. I will leave. Seems she's fallen. There is no stock or what?
No, it's over.
Do you need this?
What happened, Didi? You're taking it back?
I mean, you think I get it for free or what?
Yes, the same. It is started now. Whether it is night or day, my character is same. Body was paining, that's why. I have come here for a massage. Hey, you cut the phone. Hey, listen, girl. My body is paining a lot. If you give me a good massage, then I'll give you a lot of money. So let's begin.
Okay, sir.
sir.
Nice. Let it be, my girl. Can't see the girl because she's doing it from behind. What is she going to do? Hey, listen, please do it nicely, okay? Very good. Yes, it's done.
Sir, do you want happy ending?
What is happy ending? If you will do the massage properly, then I'll be completely happy. Yes, then it will be happy ending.
I will do the happy ending. Sir, please turn.
Hey, what are you doing?
By the way, what you thought about the happy ending, Pandit ji?
Hey, happy ending means I was thinking about something else. What are you doing this?
Hey,
leave me.
Who will give my money, huh?
Money? Where is my bag gone? Do you think I'll run? Oh my God, where am I stuck? Take this money, take it. Oh mother, I came to get relaxed from the body's ache. She started sucking my blood. If I had stayed for a while, you would have robbed my respect.
This girl is wasting her life. Preeti! Preeti! What are you doing? Go. First wash your face. Do you understand anything? You don't have money. Even your brain is not in your control. No matter what life throws at you, do what makes you happy. Never follow the path shown by anyone else. What are you thinking? I never talk to anyone. So why am I coming to you and talking, right?
Yes, no.
Everyone here dislikes whenever I speak. That's why I mind my own business. See, look at your life from an outsider's point of view. You will understand by yourself. Today is my last day. Bye.
At least I will change myself now. Will not take any such drugs in future. Dad, this much money is more than enough, right?
Yes, that's enough, dear.
Dad, sorry, Dad.
But for what?
Don't know how long we will go, but we will keep on walking.
Child, money will come today and will go tomorrow. I need you more than this money. You know that.
Yeah, I will call you at night today.
Hi, Didi.
This girl is looking so normal. She didn't have money, therefore she stopped, or what?
Welcome, sir.
What's your good name?
Sweetie.
Nice name. Okay, sweetie. I work in share market. This work is full of pressure, so please do massage nicely.
Sure, sir.
Say whatever, but the life of middle class family is really painful. They can't call themselves rich, neither they can call themselves poor.
You are giving greetings before going to bed. These things belong to good families. You take 2,000 for jerking, right? I know everything about this place. You take 10,000 for the whole fun. What useless life I have. You are earning here far more from us. Go away. Acting like a sincere person. Huh?
Listen, get up.
Hey.
Move!
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just smiling and listening to you. That doesn't mean you can say anything. What's up? You're talking like this as soon as have you come in? Every person who comes crossing this door is a nonsense and a useless person. You're doing only money talks? Every person who comes inside from that door shows us hell. Do you even understand this?
What do you mean?
You will just say whatever you feel, so? We do all this filthy work by killing our feelings. Taking advantage of this, will you say anything? People who are drinkers like you starts begging after doing this. Because of you, your children will start to beg on the road. Get out from here.
Come, sit. How are you? Tell me no.
I'm good, Didi.
Your stock is over or what?
No, Didi. I'm thinking about leaving it.
Oh, is it so? Oh my god. I still use this stuff, you know. Okay. I will leave it here only. In case you want it, you can use it. Okay?
Hello.
Where are you?
I'm just nearby. Tell me what happened.
You had been chanting Preeti's name, no? Why don't you come and see her once? I think she's looking very changed now. I don't know what happened. There inside is Preeti's cabin. You go inside. Without screaming, you only have to handle her.
Okay. I will take care. Which brand do you use? Want to try this? You are its servant now.
The mistake I was afraid not to happen, that has happened. Love has gone, trust has gone, and eventually respect has gone too. I need to change myself. I have to stop. I want my life back. I don't want to live such life anymore.
Hey Preeti, come here. Come please. Today one very important customer is going to come. You only have to handle him.
No, Didi. I won't be working here anymore. I was coming to tell you that. Now I'm leaving.
Oh, is it like that? Okay, you can go. But this customer is very important to me. See, I had helped you, right? When you needed me the most. Now for me, just wait for 1 hour, please. Please help me. Please, please. Don't say no.
Sorry, Didi. I have already made mistake. Now I don't want to repeat it.
Preeti, for once, please. Please. Please.
Okay, Didi.
Thanks, sister.
My whole life will be changed if I get past this 1 hour. I should go from here immediately. I will tell my father the whole truth about this place. I need to live with respect in this society.
Will you go for happy ending?
Doing it, sir.
ప్రియా నా ప్రియా నన్ను వదిలి వెళ్ళావు గుండె గాయం చేసావు నీ మధుర కలలు నన్ను విడిచిపెట్టవు ఎందుకు మరి ఓ సఖీ నా షణ్ముఖి నన్ను వదిలి వెళ్ళావు గాయం చేసావు నీ జత లేకుంటే బతుకే బరవవుతుంది నువ్వు కనబడకుంటే కన్నీరే వస్తుంది ఓ ప్రియా నా ప్రియా నన్ను వదిలి వెళ్ళావు గుండె గాయం చేసావు ఆశ లేదు శ్వాసలోని ఓసులాడే నేడినా కంటి నీరే అమ్ముతోందే జలువారే కంటిలో బ్రహ్మరాసే చతుకములో చతువు నీవని కలిచిన మన్నించి మనసునున్న కలతా వీడుమా ఓ ప్రియా నా ప్రియా
Stand here.
Hey Prasad, take their name and biodata and file a case against them all.
Okay, sir.
Murthy, 4T.
What's your name?
Uma,
Age?
29.
Yours?
Meghna,
Age?
24.
What happened, dear?
Hey!
What's your name? Madam.
What are you doing?
Sorry, ma'am.
Put them inside.
Go inside. Go inside. Go. Go.
Hey, hello? Put her in that cell.
Go inside. Have you done the entries?
Hey, you need massage? Huh? You need massage? You need massage?
Sorry, madam.
Hey, what do you do? Say,
Nothing, just.
you need massage? Huh? You need massage?
No.
You needed massage? Huh?
No.
Huh? Is it necessary? Take it.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
I will
Sorry,
see
ma'am.
you guys later.
Madam also started doing romance.
Hey, you doing acting in front of me? We'll see you. Acting in front of me? Acting? Huh? Acting, right? Doing acting. Look at here. Just look, don't be afraid. I'm asking you again. I'm asking you again. You look very hot. Cooperate, baby.
Ma'am. ACP is on call.
Hey, do you get what I'm saying? I will come back. Hey. At least say okay now. So much attitude, huh? You will not understand this way. Hey, come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Bring the cuffs.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't agree just by saying once, right? Will you say okay or not? At least admit right now. You will not agree? You will not agree? Huh? You will not agree? Will you admit or not? Will you admit or no? Agree fast. Otherwise, you will get more.
Sir is on call.
I will see you.
Tell yes, otherwise ma'am is not going to leave you.
Hello, sir.
You were to do the raid on massage parlor. What happened to it?
I did that.
But you haven't done any press conference yet. What are you going to submit in the court?
I was about to submit. I will do the press conference.
For how long you will do this? Press is waiting outside. You talk to them and then immediately submit it in the court.
Okay, sir. Bring them all out. As per our information, we just raided on a false center. Many girls there were 20 to 25 years old. To earn easy money, they joined spa as a massage therapist. So after arresting them all, we have filled a case.
Will you tell their names, ma'am?
As per our rule, we can't say their name.
Who is behind this scandal, ma'am?
We have started the investigations about it. So this will be early to talk about it.
How did you get to know about illegal activities?
We have our sources.
Ma'am, who are your sources?
We can't reveal now.
Is there any political pressure on you, ma'am?
No, there is no such thing. Law will do its
So, ma'am,
work.
how did you get
Now,
this
what are you
information?
going to do with these girls?
We will take them to court and hand over them. Please, that's all for now.
But, ma'am, who is behind this scandal?
Sorry,
ma'am?
dear. I have
Ma'am,
already
please, ma'am,
told you
ma'am,
what I
ma'am,
want.
one more question, please, ma'am.
Please
One
answer
more
the question, ma'am.
Making massage an excuse only for the monies, court has released these women working illegally on the basis of humanity. And court gives orders to the officers who were related to this case that these women should be treated, if necessary, for their brighter future.
Now, what are we going to do, Didi? What to do? We will open the business in another city with a new name. Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, Dad, say.
I got a job, child. I'll cook and you come soon.
Okay, Dad. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Ma'am.
Did you find the address of that girl named Preeti?
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay, let's move.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey, our sir is coming office for the first time. Come at the office to wish him.
You are just a little fish that lives in the aquarium. You will not be able to reach the sea. Send Preeti inside.
Okay, sir. Ma'am, sir is calling you inside.
Hello, CP sir. I don't know how you will do it, but you should raid that massage center. That's what I feel, sir. Hello, sir. Why no press conference has been held yet? Yes, okay.